I really gravitated towards Columbia, acknowledging that it's a school of creatives. Being in fashion, in dance, in acting, I thought that that was super important.
A student that would thrive at Columbia is one that's very active. They know what they want, they're not afraid to ask for it and get it, and they are very engaged.
People always ask me what's different about studying fashion in Chicago as opposed to one of the other big coastal cities. Here, fashion is about expressing a self really authentically.
The teachers and professors here are still part of the field that we're studying in. I think it's very important for us to really know what it means and what it takes, and they know what it takes.
Cutting-edge knowledge that can be applied to areas like activewear, streetwear, pattern making and construction, trend spotting, high-performance fashion, and outdoor wear, all of which are huge burgeoning areas in the fashion industry.
Columbia, they kind of set you up in the industry. Kind of right out of graduation, you're ready to go.
The fashion students at Columbia are thinking about fashion in a way that goes beyond what's cool and trendy, and also about what's going to help all kinds of people express their fullest self.
We had a project which was for inclusive size clothing, so it could fit from like an extra small to like an extra large, focusing on like function and bringing life and ability back into clothing.
Both our merchandising students and our product development students got to partner with the brand Patagonia.
The Patagonia project was all about bringing awareness to our environment. We were able to utilize used items from Patagonia and kind of bring them back to life in a new creative way.
Columbia and its professors have done a great job of setting me up to have my own voice and really just be able to speak that out to the world.
Most of our students come into our programs as fashion enthusiasts, and what I watch happen over the course of 4 years is the development of fashion professionals.